In heart of Gujarat, a new dawn is taking shape. A vision that looks beyond today towards a cleaner, brighter, and more sustainable tomorrow. This is Future Solar, the future of solar where innovation meets responsibility. At our Green Manufacturing Park, sustainability is not just a promise, it is how we begin every single day. From energy efficient systems to eco conscious operations, every process is built to protect the world we are a part of. With a 5 gigawatt annual capacity, fully automated, AI driven solar module manufacturing facility, behind every solar module lies precision, powered by our in house laboratory and world class testing facilities. Progress and growth were never optional or an afterthought at Future Solar. Currently, we have an operational capacity of 5 gigawatt of solar panels annually. These apnea are made in fully automatic, AI-driven solar module manufacturing facility in Vadodara, Gujarat. From the very start, we have led with TOPCon technology, pioneering TOPCon G12 R630 watt peak glass-to-glass modules, setting up a new benchmark in performance and durability. For us, quality is not an afterthought, it's an obsession. Every component, every supplier chosen from the world's best to ensure lasting excellence. Our true strength lies in our people, a team driven by experience, vision, and shared purpose. Together, we power a mission to make India self-reliant in clean energy. By 2026, Future Solar will also reach a 2 gigawatt solar cell manufacturing. And by 2027, we will have a fully integrated 5 gigawatt of solar cell and module manufacturing running in tandem, empowering industries, lightening homes, and inspiring change across the nation.
We warmly invite our industry partners, EPC companies, and valued customers to visit our 5 gigawatt state-of-the-art world-class gigafactory and experience the future solar difference. Together, let's build a sustainable and a greener tomorrow. Thank you.
Future Solar, powering tomorrow, today.